Hi everyone! Today we are going to continue our photo expedition with the new Pokemon Snap. But this time, we will be exploring the park at night. Let's see what cool photographs we can take of the different Pokemon. Alright, let's get started. So the first picture I'm going to take is of Scorbunny. I just need Scorbunny to turn around so I could get a good picture of it. Whoa, look at Scorbunny run. He runs pretty fast. I couldn't take a picture of it. It ran too fast. Bouffalant over here. Let's take a picture of Bouffalant. Whoa, there's a lot of Bouffalants out. Oh, and look at Scorbunny still running. Oh yes, I got a picture. Finally, I was able to get a picture of Scorbunny. Look, Scorbunny is hiding from me. He's playing hide and seek, I think. Ooh, is that a Pokemon? Oh, it is! It's Tangrowth! Let's see if we can get him to turn around. We're gonna take lots of pictures of Tangrowth. Look at how big Tangrowth looks. It looks so cool. Whoa, I like seeing all the Pokemon in the wild. Ooh, there's Torterra. There's 3 of them. Ooh, let's take a picture of that one. Let's see what's over here in the water. Oh, I don't see anything. Oh, there's Pidgeot. None of these Pokemons turn around so I can take their pictures. I don't think they like getting their picture taken. See, they all run away from me. I think it's because I throw them apples. Okay, Murkrows are posing for me, so let's take a picture of them. Oh look, there's Pichu and Grookey. They're sleeping. How cute. There's Hoothoot. Who has very big eyes? Ooh, there's Pinsir. Pinsir looks cool. Another Hoothoot. Did you see Scorbunny go by? There's Combies and then more Torterras over here. We're almost at the end of the photo expedition, so I'm trying to get the best and most pictures. I have 19 pictures left. Actually, 18 pictures left. I'm gonna throw like random apples and see if like any new Pokemon come out. This Scorbunny just chilling. Okay, so it looks like we've reached the end of our photo expedition at night. I'm really hoping we got some good Pokemon pictures and hopefully the professor rates them good. But we will see. Oh hey Professor. So Professor Smear said that we are getting the hang of it. And I think I am getting the hang of it a little. It's not that hard once you start playing it. You get the hang of it. It's just that the Pokemon are always trying to hide from you. So now what I am doing is I am trying to pick out the best photographs for each Pokemon that I think the professor would like and give a good grade. I took so many pictures of Tangrowth. Now I have to choose which one I should pick. I think I'm gonna go with this one. I think I'm gonna go with this zoomed in picture. Now it's time for the professor's evaluation. Let's see what score he gives my photographs.
Nice work. Nice work. Perfect timing.
Whoa! I got 4 stars! This is my first time getting that many stars.
Nice work. Nice work. Nice work. Nice work. Nice work. Nice work.
Alright friends, well thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did like it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you are not yet subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Alright friends, until next time, bye!